Converting your driver's license in Japan or gaimenkirikae can be a real headache.
And you've probably found the hardest part isn't the test, it's just getting an appointment.
So let's break down the process and show you how to actually secure a slot faster. Gaimenkirikae is the official name for the process that gets you legally on the road here. The process looks simple, right? Prepare docs, book a date, and then take your tests. First up, you're going to need a few documents. Here's a quick checklist for you. Okay, the steps seem clear enough, so why is it so incredibly hard? Here's the real bottleneck. That reservation calendar is booked solid for the next 2 months. We hear it all the time. People waste a whole month just hitting refresh, hoping to get lucky. And that frustration, that is exactly why we built Menkyohub. Forget waiting over a month. Our users get their spot in just 2 days, on average. It's super simple. You sign up, pick your test centers, and we'll send an alert instantly. But it's not just alerts. We've got mock tests and guides to help you ace the real thing. Just ask Sarah. She was stuck checking every single day, but got her slot in 2 days with us. So, to recap, understand the process, prep your dogs, and use our alerts to beat the rush. Ready to stop refreshing and finally start driving? Visit menkyohub.jp for alerts, guides, and all the tools you need in one place.